Janet Gemmel. I'm a board-certified family law specialist with Cape Fear Family Law. And I wanted to talk to you for a few moments and wanted to talk with some private investigators so that my clients could understand, why would I even need a private investigator? What does one do for me? Private investigators are very important in custody cases. There's been times when I did not have enough information to know that my client would be able to get custody. However, after having a private investigator go and look through the trash, track whether or not a parent was actually at home with their children, or even take video of the parent out doing things that are questionable for parents to do, I was able to win those cases for my clients. That's huge, and it's vastly important. I met with James Gilchrist, a private investigator with Lighthouse Investigative Services here in Wilmington. James goes through any length to get the information that he needs. He's got this great video of him in a ghillie suit hiding out in the woods to get information in a case.
My name is James Gilchrist. I own Lighthouse Investigative Services. I'm a private investigator. As to the reason someone would need to hire a private investigator would be, you may suspect or think someone's, let's take the cheating spouse case. And if your friend said, hey, I saw them at the store together, or I saw them having dinner together, it's more common than that friend not being available for court. And the minute we try to subpoena some of these people that have evidence, they're ghosts, they're gone. So, whenever you're hiring a private investigator, you're getting someone that's able to testify for you, getting information and evidence that you can use in court, and obviously we know what to get and how much to get of it. As text message alone may not be enough. I have done surveillance where I put what's commonly known as a ghillie suit. You lay in a field for 8 or 10 hours. You have to get there early in the morning before anybody sees you, but at the same time you got to stay there even after everybody leaves so you can catch that information you just can't see anywhere else. We try to use hidden cameras that are conveniently able to be put in certain locations, bushes or tree lines or something, but sometimes you physically have to be there to catch the image or to focus on it or to be able to witness and testify to it. Conducting investigations to try to get evidence from a dumpster is usually convenient whenever you want to show how much alcohol is coming out of a residence. I'm a licensed bail bonding with the North Carolina Department of Insurance. As far as tools we use from bail bonding, those have been really useful where in custody cases where if the spouse or the parent is accused of consuming too much alcohol, or as far as a question about alcohol abuse. We have the bracelets that can go on the wrist or the ankle to where it continuously monitors their alcohol, where that person can testify in court, or we can testify for them in court, where they can show a 30, 60, or 90 days of there's no alcohol abuse, or they're clean and sober. And obviously that would be pretty damaging whenever they're being accused of being an alcoholic, where we can verify there's been no alcohol consumed. We strictly maintain as ethically and professionally as we have to be to obtain evidence legally.
Give James a call if you need information on a custody case or catching your cheating spouse, because he's been known to get that information, no problem. Remember to keep your family close and to call us if you have any questions.